Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading. How's everyone doing tonight? Hope you had a wonderful little weekend here. Looking for an amazing trading day and week coming up ahead. Why? Because we do that every week and every single day. It's just what we do. Let's see what we got going out there on that tube. And say hello when you come on in. If you're sitting there and watching, and give me a thumbs up and a like, because I always appreciate that. Who do we have on out there? Let's check out and see. What's going on there, Mr. Hal Comer? What you got going on? What's going on there, Steve-O? Thanks, man. I got some good swing picks I'm working on tonight. I'm up to... how many I got left? I got a couple left. I was working on it as I started the show. I got, let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12... 13, 14, 15 of them, and 3 of them are former swing picks. And they all look pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. I'd say I don't like picking 15, but all 15 are going to work. So, I had to pick them. I played some golf this morning. 9 holes like a champ. Just driving the ball good, having a good daughter's home, just chilling. What's going on, Steve? See what's going on the main screen with the what's going on. I got another 100 followers on that Twitter. Appreciate that. I'm up to 54.3 thousand now. I got almost as much as like Ameritrade and E-Trade and all these other big companies. Dude, Heinz even blocked me, dude. I feel like I've made the big time. Heinz Ketchup blocked me, dude. And Allen. Dude, when you do that, you've made the big time. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Absolutely. So yeah, if you don't know about Mojo, check out my show I did on Benzinga right here a couple weeks ago on April 18th. Oh, tonight's show is all about risk versus reward. That's tonight's show, guys. Do you know, you always see this Indian guy on YouTube from True Trader. As soon as you start the YouTube, he's like, dude, slapping the money. Here, this is $20,000 right here. I make this in the first 30 minutes every day of the market. I do 5 to 10%. Stocks go down, I jump on them. Boom, boom, boom. Stocks go up, I sell them. You know, sell. I time that top, I short that baby down. Buy. I do the opposite of the herd. You know what I do. That's what I do. I slap that money around. It's so damn easy. My parents think I'm selling drugs. That guy, you know? Crazy, dude. Yeah, his shit works. Absolutely. I saw it. But is it good? Yeah, it could work. But if it was so good, I'd do it. It's not. It's called counter trend trading. It's called catching a falling knife. Let me show you what happens. Now you're playing volatility in 2 directions. Keep in mind. Okay? Risk versus reward. Now, good strat, and they painted it pretty damn nice. They painted it like this. You know, this is me. This is my chart right here. You know, and look, we buy the bottom right there, and we sell the top, and we buy and we sell, and then we short sell it here, and we buy it back here, and then we buy it here, and we, you know, that's what they do, and they do that stuff, you know, and they have the line, they know what they're going to make here, and they know what they're going to make here. You know, it's all good. Let me show you what happens. Okay? This is good. 8 out of 10 times. And they're going to lose twice. One of the losers isn't going to be that bad. But let me show you what happens with the other one. And this is their box. Okay? And their charts, you know, this is what they do. And this is their bottom of up, and here's their upside. Okay, now all of a sudden they get in that stock, right? Right? And it's so damn unbelievable it halts trading. Because it's right at the open. And then the thing opens up here. And they're short. But the stop of protection was what happened there. What happened went above the stop of protection. How could that happen? Because you're short. And you're playing open volatility. So the risk versus reward, let's see. Here's the risk, unlimited, all up here. And now you're stuck. And here's your reward. What were you getting in the trade right here for a little circle? So your little circle right here of profit versus your risk freaking tremendous. All right, that's the short. Now let's see the buy. So right here the stock plummets down, right? And of course you want to catch it right up here, and you're going to trade 5 to 10%, and you're going to buy it right there, and you're an ultimate champ, right? And your protection's right here, right? You're going to stop out. So you're only risking like $50. You're going to make $100. That's what they're talking about. Some nice game, right? And you win 8 out of 10. Let me show you the one time you lose. Stock's going to halt trading. Okay? It's going to open up all the way down here. And you're going to lose your entire account. It's only going to happen once every 10 trades. It's counter trend trading. It's called catching a falling knife. Reverse action. Reverse against the herd. Shit don't work. Nice pitch though. Love the action. Oh, I'm walking down this railroad track where I used to make $2. Now I have 20,000 in my hand. All this crazy shit, man. And that shit works until it don't. And then you're done. What's going to happen then? Ouch. See, that's the thing. I've been doing this for 25 years. And these guys have been doing it for 2. And that's the difference. And everyone that got lucky during the market tumble and the crash that made money are getting on YouTube saying you can follow me and be the best. Yeah, my system is my system. It seems to be copyable, and everybody loves my Heinz system. Got a lot of good Heinz picks coming up. We did a lot of good Heinz picks on Friday. A lot of good Heinz on Friday. So the futures, they're up. Let's see what the hell they up. They're up 119. Whoops, wrong screen. They're up 119. You can have another pretty good day in the stock market, possibly in the morning. The S&P is up 11.75. It's a good day. It's a good day. I got some really good stock picks coming out. I got, let me work on this one right here. This is, I'll fill in this one. What am I up to? I think I'm up to this one. Yeah, so this is the pick. It's called, I think I've done it before. Many good highlights. It's in the, this one was in the finance industry. The last one. This one is in the commercial services advertising industry. Commercial services ADV industry. It's a swing trade newsletter pick at 95 cents. One way up through Heinz $1. Volume has decreased on this one. Volume is 486,000. versus 758. One of the only ones that decreased. 758,000 normally, which is pretty good volume. They have 2 years of increased earnings estimates. I'm looking for the move through Heinz $1. Going to add 2 times 90 to 95 and 96 to $1. Float is 46.2 million. 46.2 million. And the funds own 9%. And they provide branding and marketing of consumer products with a focus on lifestyle brands. That's the pick. That's not a bad one. Let's do the next one. The next one is 96 cents. It's in the medical biomed industry. It's a medical biomed biotech. Medical biomed. Stocks at 96 cents. Going through Heinz $1. Volume is 395,000 shares per day versus 2 million. So volume's a little lower on this, but it just was at $2.40. It's at 96. It's got 1 year of increased earnings estimates. Looking for a move through $1 on this one. Float is 35.5 million. Funds are 8%. Looking hot to trot on that one. The next one is really good. The next one is a really historical huge mover that could be a huge one. I'm not giving you the symbols on any of them. I'll just tell you what I'm putting on, what they're going to be doing. If you want to join the newsletter, you guys can surely go right ahead and jump in on that action right there. Absolutely. But I'm doing my swing picks right now. And just putting them babies in there right now. Oh yeah, I'm on these are long term. This is long term. Out of these babies in here, oh my goodness gracious. These things are sick. This pick right here is in the oil and gas field services industry. Field services. The stock is at $1.78. One way up through $2 Heinz. It's got volume increased 418%. To 4.2 million. From 829,000. It's a great pick. It's at $1.78. It's got a tiny historical move of going big. Historical move of going big. Okay? Excuse me. Looking for a move up through 2. Adding at $1.90 and $1.95 and $1.96 to $2. Float is 4.4 million. It's tiny. Love the small floats. Funds 11%. Dude, risking a dime to make $1. Gotta love it. 10 to 1. 10 to 1. The next one, ooh, also 91 cents. Looking good on this one. This is in the pollution control industry. Pollution control. And this stock provides nitrogen oxide reduction and fuel chem processes used in air pollution control. Stock's at 91 cents. Looking for the move through Heinz, $1. Volume is up 4,550%. Amazing volume increase. Volume increased 4,550% to 44 million shares versus where it trades 947,000. Can you believe that? Mojo's got a gem right there. All in the Swing Trade newsletter, guys. You just subscribe above. You get the Mojo University Day Trading course. That's retailed at $14.97 just for that alone. You get the day trading course. You just absolutely free. Just become a member. You're going to get the Swing Trade newsletter with all these picks tonight and be in the chat room with me tomorrow. So this stock right here is pollution control. It's got estimates from increased earnings. Increased earnings. Listen to what the earnings growth is on this one. Increased earnings growth. Not estimates. Growth. Growth. From a loss of 32 cents to a gain of 10. That's huge. Looking for a move through $1, adding 90 to 95, 96. Float 24.6 million. Funds 16%. Golden gem, risking a nickel to make 50 cents. 10 to 1 earnings coming out on 5/12. Huge move coming on that one. Oh, the next one is $1.15. $1.15. Looking for a move up to mini 150. $1.15. This one is in the medical systems and equipment industry. Medical syst and equipment industry. The stock is at $1.15. It's going to be a gem. They develop and market excimer lasers for the use and treatment of vascular dermatological diseases. Stock's at $1.15. One way up through Mini Heinz, $1.50. Going to be a big move. That right there is 40%. Volumes increased 1,394% to 1.6 million shares traded per day versus 112,000 previously. So the volume is huge with increased earnings estimates for 2 years. Love this one. Looking for a move up through $1.50. Adding here to here and here to here. Funds 13.8% in the float. 13.8. Funds own 11%. It's a no-brainer. Risking right here. 20. It says risking. We'll go 5 to 50. That's right. Yep, 10 to 1. Oof, I got some good picks tonight, guys. I got some good picks. I got some good ones. The next one going out in the newsletter. Ooh, you may know this from the description. This one you may know from the description. You ready? This is a good one. This one's going up. You could thank Elon for this one, okay? Hint. Hint. You ready? It's a hint. I'm not giving you the symbol, but I'll tell you what they do. They're a Canada-based company because Elon's moving on out of California because they're saying, dude, you can't open your factory until June 1st. He goes, dude, I'm moving my whole factory. Screw you, California. We're the last car dealer here. Now you got none. And you count on us? See ya. I'm moving to freaking Texas, Nevada. See ya. This company is a Canada-based company that designs and manufactures and sells electric vehicles. It's an auto manufacturer. I'm not telling you the name. You can probably guess it. Stock's at $1.02. The volume has increased 16% to 463,000 from 400,000. That's decent volume, but it can trade. It's trade history of millions in the past. Increased earnings estimates for 2 years, looking for a move up to 50, adding multiple times. 110. And 120. Float 37 million. It's a good one, man. Risking a nickel to make a dime. Risking a nickel to make a dime. The next one, you've never heard of before. It's 85 cents. 85 cents, of course, it's going to $1. The symbol, I'm not going to tell you. It's four letters. But they develop cloud-based software that enables enterprises to manage healthcare, benefit spending, and improve quality. They're in the computer software medical industry. Computer software medical. Huge. Stocks at 85 cents. One way up through Heinz, $1. Volume increased 160% to 1.4 million. Versus 575,000 average daily. Companies growing, 100% growth. 100% growth rate. Looking for the move to $1. Dude, this is like clockwork. Heinz $1, adding, boom, 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 boom. This is going to be a 3 times. Start at 85 to 90. Funds 149 million. A lot of shares out there. Funds own 55% of this one. Risking a nickel to make 50, 10 to 1. Dude, the picks are sick. Told you, I do this every Sunday night, man. And they all work during the weeks. This one is a publisher of locally based print and online and media in the U.S. with 261 markets across 46 states. Stocks at $1.09. I'm liking it. They're in the media industry. Media industry. Yep. Media industry. All right. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Told you. Every week I do this. Pick all the good ones. All right. This one looking for the move to $1.50. Same thing as the other one, really. Same thing as the other one. The float is 131 million. It's pretty big, but it's a huge company. Let me tell you what they're doing. 62% owned by mutual funds. Let me tell you how much money they're making. They did 4 quarters ago 404 million. Then they did 367 million. Then they did a 70% increase and they did 699 million in revenues. Last quarter, they did 948 million. Almost $1 billion. The stock used to be $22. It's $1.09. So little upside. So little downside. So big upside. Crazy great company. The next one is another really good one. They are an Israeli-based company that provides software solutions for information security and cybersecurity markets. Stocks at $1.25. You won't believe. Look at this one. Holy mama. Look at this. This is computer software. Check this out. Look at the one feature on this stock, dude. Tell me this thing's not going to rip. Stock's at $1.25. Going to go to $1.50. Volume has increased 58% to 2.4 million from 1.5 million. Their growth rate is 500%. Looking for a move to $1.50 and then 2. Plus, $2 could rip. Adding multiple times at $1.40 and $1.80. It could go that high because the float is 1.8 million. Tiny. Risking 10 cents to make $1. That's a good risk reward. Everything's 10 to 1. Or I wouldn't be doing it. The next one we've already played, from 80 cents to $1.50. It came down. It's at $1.16, and we're going to redo it. They provide discount deals and retailers in 28 countries via email. If you can't figure it out, get the newsletter. That's an easy one to figure out. Retail internet industry. Stocks at $1.16. Looking for the move up through $1.50 again. Volume has decreased because it already made the move. $7.4 million it trades versus 17 million. So you know it can trade some big volume. The growth rate is we're not talking about that on this one. We're talking about some Corona action. Looking for the move up through $1.50. Adding 140 and 145 plus. Okay, beautiful. The float is huge, 566 million. And the funds own 73% of this giant, risking a nickel to make 50 after the proper scale. 10 to 1. It's a beauty. It's a beauty. The next one provides transaction processing solutions and enterprise information management in the United States and globally. Stock's at 32 cents. It's in the computer software enterprise. A lot of computer software this week, huh? Enterprise. It's at 32 cents. One way up through mini 50. Increased volume, 306%. Volume is 20 million. Volume's 20 million from 5 million. Looking for the move to 50 cents. The float is 150.7 million. The funds own 64% of this beast. Risking a nickel to make 50. Done. Beast. Beast of a pick. The next one is really good too, dude. The next one is in the telecom wireless services industry. Telecom wireless services industry. The stock's at 47 cents. Obviously looking for the move up through mini 50. Volume has increased 11% to 25 million shares. Normally trades 22 million. Big volume stock. Looking for a move up through 50 cents. Float 86.5 million. This is a good newsletter this week, boys. Funds own, who knows on this one, says NA. It's a good one. Risking a nickel to make 50 on that one. That's a good one. The next one, dude, is a steal. Used to be way, way up there, this stock. Canada-based company engaged in the production of medical cannabis and marijuana. Consumer product specialty. Dude, this stock I freaking love. I don't think I'll ever sell it after this pick. Okay? Check this baby out. This stock is in the 67-cent range. Going to Heinz $1. Volume has decreased 4%. It trades 29 million shares a day from 30 million. That's the average per day. Looking for the move up through $1. Okay? Adding twice. We'll just add once. The float is big, a lot. And the mutual funds do own 18% of it. Amazing pick. Amazing pick. Another one you won't believe. Check this one out. Look at this one. This one is engaged in the transportation of bulk cargoes. The volume has increased 536%. It's 15 cents. And it traded 235 million shares on Friday. Yeah. Then I have this other one that develops small molecule drug testing and cancer stem cells along with proprietary companion diagnostics at $1.98 going through 2. So let me put these in size order. So I got 89 center, a 94 center, $1.98, 90 center, This one acquires patents and patent rights that covers a wide range of subject matter from their owners. The first one's 15 cents, 90 cents, 94, $1.98, 95. This one provides branding in the markets to lifestyles. This one's 96 cents, $1.78, $1.15. 91 cents. Well, I got 190, 91, and 94. 85 cents. So I got one at 15 cents. 15. 85. 89. 90. 91. 94, 96, $1.15, $1.78, $1.98, $1.02. So go 96, $1.02, then $1.15. This one is $1.09. Wow, I got a great little order here this week. $1.09 to $1.15, and then $1.25. Wow, I'm impressed. I've been doing this for 25 years. I don't need to have $20,000 on my shoulders. Wow, these are great picks. So $1.09, $1.16, $1.15. Wow, so close in price. This one's 32 cents. So that probably goes number 2. 15, 32, and then 85, yeah. And then a 67. So that's the third pick. 15 cents, 32 cents, 67 cents, 85, 89, 90, 91, 94, 95, 96. $1.02, $1.09, $1.15, $1.16, $1.25, $1.78, $1.98, oh, and there's 47. So that's after the 32 and before the 67. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 picks, all winners. So here's the, I just built what I was doing on the other page. So these are the top 18 picks. Top 18. For 510, my analysis this week will be the following. 510. The markets will not reward any kind of shotgun approach. Same thing as last week, I agree. It's a stock picker's market and industry-driven sector environment. Wow, some smart-ass guy wrote this, huh? Damn. Some smart-ass guy wrote that one, huh? Damn. Those that can pick stocks and industry groups along with and ahead of the curve will continue to be rewarded. Stocks that move up gradually are less likely to dump down fast, so trail stops. So set trail stops after selling half of the position is prudent. Half of the position for a profit. Stocks picks that rise more than 100% are more volatile as they happen so fast. So you can expect a dump down just as fast as it goes up. Some may lead to double play opportunities like GNC and ODP that went up and came down back to near original prices. This week, we see that with, and I'm not going to give you the pick, that one. So I have 18 picks from smallest to largest in no particular preference order. Boom. That's my analysis for the week. Newsletter's done. I just got to do the comic strip for this week. Got to do the comic strip for this week. What should I do for the comic strip? What should I do for the comic strip? What's in the funnies this week? What's back in business? Let's see. Guys, if you want to get those swing picks tonight, there's 13. You should join the MOJO Swing Trade Combo Pack above. Get the 5-star rated MOJO University Day Trading course absolutely free. It's worth $14.97 and has been for 8 years. I'm paying it forward. I don't need to jump on YouTube and flash 20 G's in your face because you don't got to pay for my course. It's absolutely free. And I have, it takes longer than an hour to learn my stuff. So what's a good one? Here's a good one. I got a good one. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. To all the moms out there. I had a great Mama's Day for my moms today. It was awesome. I spent the last 2 weeks making a video for my mom of all the stuff and old pictures that I had. Everyone in my family sent in a video. It's pretty cool. Let me get this comic off. Here's my comic for the week. Right here. I'm going to make this, let's see. Definitely. Don't subscribe to that swing trade newsletter. You know what I'm saying? See that? That's how I make my comics each week. See that? Definitely don't subscribe to that swing trade newsletter. You know what I'm saying? And then the swing trade newsletter is Jason Bond Picks. There you go. 10 picks. Jason. Guy's all banged up. That's my comic, my analysis. And my 18 picks for the week for 510. Let's save it to my desktop so I don't lose it. And then I gotta send it out to everybody. And there you go. It's a beautiful thing. So thank you for being a member. It's 28 pages long. Yeah, you'll be rewarded. You wish you would have met. Absolutely. Looking to have you aboard. Be silly not to join. So guys, thank you so much for hanging out and listening. Me do my swing newsletter. Send it out. I'll see you in the morning. Do some scanning for some hot stocks. We trade in the MOJO room, which we open up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Trading won't happen till 9:30. Futures are up 168. It's a Sunday evening. I'm going to check out the... this is what I did for my mom's. Check it out. Really cool video. You want to see? I don't think I posted on here. Oh, it was on her Harbor Chase thing. Let me see. There's my activity. There's my friend Mike. He was my oh, that looks like it's in Disney right there. Doesn't it? Yeah, it's my friend Mike. He was my roommate in college. There's my mom at the... Hey, Eric. He's one of my... What's up, Mr. Grimm? There's Rod. I saw him today at Publix. He's one of my guys in the chat room, too. You'll meet Pro Trader Rod, dude. He's a cool guy.
You get a bunch of flowers, get a bunch of, I don't know, cards, breakfast made, in bed. All the kids come and give you hugs and kisses.
Nice. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Let's scroll down a little bit. Oh, there's Alan right there. You can see Alan trying these ads out with him. Not working. Hey, Andrew. He was my friend from high school, Andrew Pollock. You may know him. Built this huge ranch. Look at this foundation he built right here. This is in Oregon, Rento, called Sunnybrook in Oregon. Crazy good. Oh, this guy makes comics too. It's funny. Oh, see, I was in the window today. Here you go. I'm coming up. See, I had to be in the window, seeing my mom's through the window. But here's my video I did. Ooh, there's Sunnybrook Ranch. Ooh, that looks pretty good, pals. That's the one you decided on? That looks nice. That looks nice. Happy Mother's Days. No, it didn't go up there. I don't know where it is. It should be there. Let me see the link right here. Here it is. Oh, it's not coming in for some reason. What happened? There you go. So I made this movie.
I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before.
very happy Mother's Day.
Hey, Grandma, I love you. Have a happy Mother's Day.
Hey, Grandma, happy Mother's Day. I love you, and I hope to see you soon.
A mother like
Is you are never far from my heart.
I is because I am the luckiest boy in the world.
And
Bam. Dude, how sick is that video, dude? You get the pictures, and then everyone sent in a video. I'm not going to play the entire thing, but yeah, it's amazing, dude. My mom was freaking out. Everyone in my family loved it. It took me 5 days to put it together. Now every time I go there, I'm going to play it for her, and it's going to be the thing we do. And yeah, it was amazing, dude. Thanks, Sodman. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. See, dude, I'm a family man, dude. That's what you want to be hanging out with the mojo. You don't want to be hanging out with some guy flashing, fucking slapping $20,000 around, screaming this and that about Disney and Facebook and shit like that. That's no rewards, man. The rewards is what I just showed you. Having the time and the ability to put that stuff together. That's the reward. Okay? There's a movie. It's called 7 Days in Utopia. It's not about the $20,000. It's not about $50,000. Dude, you'll make that in the market. You're a trader. Eventually, you'll either be knocked out of the game or you're going to make money in the market. You're going to figure it out. Okay? It's not about the 50 grand or the 100 grand. It's about life and having that as an aspect piece of the puzzle, fulfilling in the whole thing with the family and the videos and golfing and everything, dude. It's not about the 20,000. It's this movie, 7 Days in Utopia. This guy was a professional golfer, and his dad was his caddy. And the dad was on the last hole of the U.S. Open. This camera's all messed up. Let me try to be put in the camera. So it was on the last day of the U.S. Open, and he's up against a top-ranked professional. Oh, one of the guys, I forgot his name. Really good guy, though. And he's like, dude. He's like, I want to just lace it in the fairway with a 3-wood, put it on, 2-putt. I got the U.S. Open, bro. You know? And his dad's like, no. You're going to hit the driver. And he's like, no. I'm going to freaking... No. Takes it out. Hits the driver. Listens to the dad. Shanks it to the right into the trees. So he's going to pull out the pitching wedge and pitch it back in the fairway and 2-putt for par and win. And his dad says, no. You're going to hit the 4-iron through the trees right on the green, dude. He's like, no. It's like, no. Oh, thank you. The same thing. Nice. So his dad's like, no. Dude, freaking pull out the 4. And he freaking shanks it into the water. Freaking gets a 10 on the freaking hole. Wounds up walking away from his dad and stuff in a roar and rampage. Driving it crazy out of town. And crashes his car on this farm in this small town called Utopia, where he meets this guy who becomes his mentor. And the guy used to be a pro golfer. And the guy teaches him about life and golf. And he came there ready to he wants to go back on the tour and shoot a 59. He'll do anything to shoot a 59. That's his ultimate goal. And you got to go watch the movie and see what happens. If he shoots the 59 or not. And even if the 59 is important or not, that's the difference between me and my trading. I've been doing it for 25 years. Been doing MOJO Day Trading for 8. That puts me at a 33-year stint of trading the stock market. Think I've got it figured out. Nothing can surprise me. Did the 30% drop surprise me with the corona? No. I was expecting it. Yeah, TVIX went to 1,000. Never expected that. But hey, what do you know? It's back at 200. Probably run again, right? So listen, we'll see what happens in the morning. It's 10:08. All I gotta say is peace. Good night. Thanks for watching. Maybe my camera will work tomorrow so when I talk, my lips sync up with the thing. It's pretty annoying to me. I don't know what it's like out there to you, but as long as you can listen to me, I guess it doesn't make a difference. So guys, when I go live, you gotta be subscribed so you get notified. Yeah, right down there in the corner. Click that. And you get notified. So when I'm done, check those out. Also, I'll see you in the morning. Give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the morning about the 8:30, 8:45. We see what's hot, what's not, and what's moving and shaking. So peace. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.